So this is the guy. 3D printed ductwork mounted onto a Tyro79 little drone frame, and that's about it really. Just a few things sort of done up, and a little pilot guy riding shotgun over the little Mobius mini camera. I'm not really going to put my my GoPro on here because anyway, let's get started. Well, I'm pleased to report that this thing is a really nice little drone to fly. Probably the best little 3-inch Cinewhoop that I've ever played with, and I've played with a few. So a little bit short today because I wasn't very well prepared and I didn't have enough batteries with me to go for a much longer flight. But I'll put up some batteries, and on a day we'll get out when it's nice and sunny, getting some really nice cine photography. Thanks for watching.